What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. In this video, I'm going to be opening up a Turtle Wax care package that they sent me. And before I get the video underway, I want to give a huge shout out to Turtle Wax for reaching out to me and sending this to me. I did not pay for this. Give you a little explanation of how I got this. Just recently, if you're not new to the channel, or if you are new to the channel, I just did a review video on the Hybrid Solutions, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray. Turtle Wax actually commented, and they loved the video, and they wanted me to get a hold of them. I therefore got a hold of them, and they really liked the video, and they asked if they can send me the rest of the lineup and to try out, and I said absolutely, I would love to. So yeah, huge thanks to them for sending this to me. I wanted to bring you guys all along with me and unbox it, see what's inside. I kind of know what's inside, but I don't know what's inside. So you guys are going to come along with me. I got my sidekick here to help me unbox this, and I won't waste any more time. We'll get straight into unboxing this thing.
It's super big and probably super heavy.
It's bigger than I thought. All right.
It is going to be like
fragile. All right. I hope you all out there are having an awesome day, night, whatever it is, where you're at. I've been so excited to open this. It showed up at my shop today.
I've been asking, has it came yet? Has it came yet?
I told her that she would be the first with me to unbox it. Whoa.
Whoa.
All right.
Nice.
So, ceramic technology, extreme water beating, protection, and shine. So it comes with a nice little book here. Hopefully you guys can all see that. Folds up.
Whoa.
Nice.
It's like a poster.
It is a poster, and it's going to go right up on our wall.
Above
That's a
our
nice
picture.
Yeah, that's a nice poster. Kind of gives you a little breakdown about the products. And it gives you their, their stats, I would call them. It's kind of like on a video game when you're looking at the stats and which car to pick. Okay, this one's fast. Okay, this one's got more speed, but this one's got more handling. So, just got to learn how to use them all, right? And I'm really, really excited to test the rest of the products. So yeah, you guys can see that. All right, this is. Oh, it looks like it's in. So what we're gonna have to do is
Break open.
we're gonna have to break open the box a little bit and unveil. Nice.
So cool.
You gonna rip that side? Rip it down. Come on, use those muscles. Rip it down. Awesome. I'll lift this up and then you can take the cardboard box out, okay? All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Hold on. We got a blooper. We have to edit that out.
There.
We good? Are we good? All right. Sorry, everybody. Incredible Hulk over here decided to hit the camera. All right. So as you guys can see.
Not gonna edit that.
All right. Yeah, maybe we'll leave that in, huh? This is what it is. Let's go ahead and.
Is there another box?
All right, go ahead and set that to the side. Incredible Hulk. All right.
I'm in my day.
I don't know if you guys can see this, so I'm going to lift it up. Looks like it's got each individual box for each individual product, which I think is really, really, really cool.
Whoa.
So let's start. Let's start with the top one.
Can I open the next one?
Yes, you may. We've got Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax. And I really like the way they have everything set up and boxed, and
so cool.
it's really I would say professional.
It's like 50 boxes all put in one.
It's cool, and it makes storing them a little bit easier.
Yeah, except you can only wait.
It gives you a little breakdown about the product right here. Ceramic polish. From my understanding, this is their all-in-one. Lets you do a little bit of correction at the same time laying down some protection behind. And from my understanding of these products is they're all designed to work together. So let's go ahead and grab the next one. Which one's that? That looks like the Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. That's what the only one of the products that I've used, and it's an absolute fantastic product. Stand inside of me, it's a fantastic product. That's the video that they saw and ended up sending me this stuff for. So this stuff is absolutely 10 thumbs up for me. Love that stuff.
50 for me.
Yeah, 50 for you, huh? All right. What's next?
This one's big.
That one's big. Oh, all right. These boxes are really cool. All right, we got the Hybrid Solution Ceramic Wet Wax. This is for after you wash the car and it's still wet. You give it a couple sprays per panel. It's basically like a drying aid, but at the same time, you're leaving a little bit of protection behind. Makes it a little bit easier to dry. So I'm excited to use that as well. I really like the way they set up these products in these boxes.
Yeah. Cool.
What's next? Go ahead, open it up. Oh, I got you. Easy. There we go. All right. The Hybrid Solutions 3-in-1 Detailer. Now this I've seen a lot of good stuff on. I heard it is a really good product. In between washes, your car gets a little dusty, spray wipe it. And it really, from what I'm seeing, has tons of lubricity in it. It's really good. And I can't wait to try this out. Once again, the boxes are they're just awesome. I really like the way they do that. Last but not least, what do we got here? The Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax. All right. Excited to give this a try. Feel how I like it. Stand over here, please, because your head might be blocking the camera. You don't want everybody staring at the back of your head. The ceramic wash and wax leaves a little bit of protection behind. I'm gonna have to test that out too and see how that works as a standalone. Now, what I was saying about all the products being designed to all be used together. So the first step is polishing. You got your polish, so you got your ceramic polish. You can lay that down, and then you can lay down the ceramic spray coating. And now that you got your coating set, after you wash the car with the ceramic wash, that's supposed to help aid in the protection. And then after you want to dry the car, then you're going to use your wet wax as you dry the car. So all these products are made to just be stacked and used together to keep that protection and hydrophobicity, I hope I said that right, up to par. So that's really cool that they designed all this stuff to work together. And I'm really excited to try it all out. We're going to go ahead and stick this all back together. Another one. All right. That's really cool. Really cool.
Can I keep this part?
Sure. So I don't want to bore you guys too much. Once again, Turtle Wax, thank you so much for sending me this care package. That is really awesome, you guys, and I really appreciate it. Look for future videos of me testing all this stuff. And
if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that thumbs up. Yeah. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way, when I do upload videos on all this stuff, that you guys will get notified and you won't miss any videos. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys all for joining us on my little unboxing video. I know there's tons of other stuff to do, but all my subscribers that take the time to watch this stuff with me, man, you guys rock. All my videos I do for all you guys. I really appreciate all you guys. I love interacting with all my subscribers. Drop a comment in the comments below about anything, really. Any questions or concerns you have, I may be able to help you. We may learn together. So that being said, I hope you guys all have an awesome day, night, evening, whatever it is, where you guys are at. And we'll catch y'all in the next video.